My name is Nelly Katan. I'm a Chief Clinical Dietitian at Jamaica Hospital Medical Center. This video is part of the Integrative Health series, and today I'd like to show you my favorite healthy breakfast recipe. This is an overnight oat recipe where you do not have to cook any oats. All we need to do is to soak them in milk. So the first thing you need is either a mason jar or a bowl or any container that will allow mixing or shaking. Always starting with the clean hands. Mason jar, you're taking dry oats, putting them right in there. The next ingredient will be cut up strawberries, fresh strawberries preferably. Okay, strawberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins. My other ingredients are berries. Berries are known as diabetes superfoods. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They also what's known to be low glycemic index, meaning that they will cause a very slow rise in your blood sugar. The next step is to add milk. You have a choice of dairy milk or plant. My personal way is to go with the plant milk. The only thing to remember is dairy milk does have a protein and plant milk sometimes are lacking. So if you are going for plant milk, it could be almond, hazelnut, walnut, whatever you can get your hands on, but make sure it's unsweetened so you can regulate the sweetness yourself. All we need is about half a cup to a third of a cup, depends how liquidy you like your oatmeal to be. I usually like to fill it to 3/4 of the way. You can put a teaspoon of honey. Again, sometimes I leave that ingredient out and I just use fresh raisins. They're packed with fiber. Okay, so now I mentioned previously that plant milk is lacking protein, so to complement that, I would add either pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. All you need is about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons to make that difference of 8 grams of protein. All that's left to do now is use your wild imagination. You can sprinkle with a little cinnamon. I usually add my flax seeds for extra omega-3 and fiber. You can use the cocoa powder. You can use the coconut. You cover, you shake it well, you put it in the refrigerator, and the next morning you wake up to a nice, smooth pudding consistency, delicious and healthy breakfast.